Down.
I'll never get him out of there, miss.
No one sit there. When the Reds sit there.
Well, aren't you a charmer? Huh? Stop that. Bad dog.
Hang on, miss, hang on.
Ever since he became a union member, he thinks he's got rights.
I'm not moving, so you'll just have to put up with me. Stop that. Now be a gentleman and move over. Now.
Sharing a seat with my dog.
Yes, I am.
What will you be doing at Hammersley, Nancy?
The secretary.
Quite a change from Perth.
An adventure, to be sure.
It's all right yet.
Give it another minute or two to air out, boys.